We are here at the Rock of Ascension, Mount Shasta. So powerful. As you can see, I've got Savannah Moon with me, and the energy is so powerful. She was fine on that side. She was very calm. But this side is too much energy for her. It's okay, baby. Very, very powerful. Get situated. When I first got here, I didn't realize it, but there was a group of people. Okay, I realized somebody was here because I saw like those walking stick things, but I didn't know they were having, they were doing a ritual. So I just kind of hung out behind the rock where they couldn't see me. And after a while, I finally started channeling. I was trying to just stay out of their way, which I did. I mean, this was just, when I say channeling, there's different kinds. There's automatic writing. You channel when you give a reading. You channel by actually using another being's voice. And this was a message, a personal message to myself that I channeled. And it's so interesting to me because I was telling a friend earlier, as somebody who's an angelic medium, I'm not learned about the angels. I know what I know from what they tell me. And I'm actually on a trip from North Carolina to the Redwoods. I was really impressed to stop here. And my sister was telling me, well, that's Archangel Gabriel's light something or other. And I was like, I didn't know that, but it makes sense. So Archangel Gabriel is very prominent here. And as I was driving up the mountain, I mean, it hit me, actually not even up the mountain, just coming to the city of Mount Shasta. And then as I drove up the mountain, it just increased. It felt just like before I give a reading. And if there's any mediums that are watching or sensitives, that feeling that you get when a spirit is around, it was really big. It was really big. I'm going to let her do her thing. So I thought, besides some drawings and visions that I've had, some of them which are personal for me, and I'm just going to have to digest it and then come back later to decide whether I'm going to share it with you. I'm going to do a little spirit box. I thought that would be interesting. She's getting antsy. I don't blame her. We were here for probably 40 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and start this.
S-Box. Scanning SM.
Is anybody with us here that wants to communicate so that people can hear you? that weird to you, baby? Anybody here that wants to talk to us? Any angels? I see a man to my left. You can communicate through this so people on camera can hear you. You want me to hold you? I don't think she likes that. Maybe we will go back to our campsite and do it. I'm thinking that's what we'll do. This is where Savannah and I were exploring, and we heard a knock. A wood knock. How many out there believe? Do you believe that there are primate species that are yet to be discovered? Do you believe, like some Native Americans, that he's a spirit? Let me know what your beliefs are. What do you think? I mean, Jane Goodall, she thinks it's possible. She's an expert. I'm not going to go too far this way because I heard what I heard. What was it? I don't know, but it was a wood knock. Was it a person? I don't know. It was forceful. Kind of spooking myself out. This is the Red Fur Group Camp, and it's also the way to Ascension Rock. If you're familiar with Mount Shasta, I want to know from my Bigfoot folk, is this an area where there's been any sightings? Let me know. Coming back to Ascension Rock. Now, I must say, my Savannah was a little spooked to come this way again, so yeah, that was kind of concerning. But this is also where we heard the wood knock. We weren't quite here. Okay, call me crazy because you see a rock formation. I see a validation that that was a wood knock because it looks like a foot. Very big foot. The energy just shifts completely as it comes into view. Ascension Rock. Archangel Gabriel. Queen of the Mountain. so powerful. The energy is just so powerful. This time, she's not running from it. First time was too much for her. This is where I channeled a message from the Angels of Ascension, who I've been channeling since I started using oracle cards. And I was like, what? What is this? Ascension Rock, Mount Shasta.